Alan, did you win the lottery again?
Yep. Gotta go to Florida.
Try to put this tire on, right? Get it all lubed up. Flops right on, right? Get started. It's 365s. One more. There it is. Last little bit. Boom. Let's see if it seats right away, right? Ooh, look at that. I love it when it does that. Sometimes we gotta use the speed blaster. That's it. That's how you put a tire on. This had a generator fire in the bay, so the customer towed it out here for us to pull the whole generator out and kind of go through it and figure out the wiring. It actually doesn't run, so we're kind of scared that it got some of the engine transmission harnesses underneath there, but we'll find out. So let's go take a look real quick. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but the culprit of it was the generator exhaust came off. Oh, you can see it right there. Right back in there. Broke off. It didn't actually really catch fire. It just started smoking, and the heat from the exhaust was probably, you know, 600 to 1,000 degrees or whatever generator exhaust comes out at. But you'll see over here, it's all melted underneath there. See the piping right here? How it's all bowed down. That's where all the air lines go from the rear of the bus to the front of the bus. And then you have all your control wire that goes to the front J-box, to the rear J-box. Your transmission harnesses goes through there for your keypads and stuff like that. So we're not quite sure what happened, but we're gonna have to empty this whole bay, get all these components out here, the squirrel cage and the generator, to get that tube cut open to see what actually happened. Gotten kind of a little bit of damage on last week. They were sanding on it and they're pretty much ready in primer. They just need to finish up sanding a little bit and paint the lower bay panel in this upper portion here, and they're ready to shoot it. That should be done this week. So you unplugged the RC out of the back, right?
Yes.
Of the DirecTV. So mark which one that was. Is
Yeah,
there only one back there?
Everything.
Okay. Yeah, because then we'll split it off there and then it'll go out RCA. This is a customer bus they brought to us. They had a shower leak. And if you look here, it's kind of dark. I'm not sure why these lights aren't coming on. We'll have to fix that. But the floor, see it? It ruined it. Basically, the shower's right in here, which we'll show you in a second. Leaked out of the shower pan base and just demolished this floor. So we're gonna have to get this all tore out and rebuilt. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. But yeah, it's all rotted. It's pretty bad. Here, I'll show you in here. Right here. The shower pan on the inside. Really, the walls should go over the outside, so we're gonna need to pull all that. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the edge, pull the liner up through there. But yeah, that's the start of this week's project for the interior, guys. But this is a nice bus. Just sucks that that kind of stuff happens, but it does. That's what keeps us here, right?
Kyle is a very busy person. That being said, he doesn't have time to speak with a lot of people that call in. Isn't that apropos? He's calling me. Divine intervention, that's what we call that one.